Alright, let's try this one more time. We had a bad one the first try. I'm kind of curious because that zip tie is already unsnapped. And these are still sealed, so let's see. Let's try this again. Never seen a remote go bad, or at least broken like that in that manner.
Turned it back on.
Yeah. So, let's do this inventory. Come on out. Okay. This one seems more secure. Alright, let's try this all one more time. Alright. You can start. Boom. I'm going to take this battery out. And I have a fully charged battery, so we can just avoid the hassle. I'm using a head mount, and I still don't seem to have enough hands while filming to do what I want. Alright. Alright, get this out of the way. I do have a battery in here. Well, look what we have. We have the tow truck. And those wheels. Man, I love that. This is going to be played with later. Right here's our new battery. This one I know is fully charged. Alright. So, that's ready. Now, back to what we were doing last time of putting batteries in a controller.
Good to see you, Brandon.
Oh, we got these batteries.
Yep, I got like 3 sets of different, that way I ain't got
Alright, it's hard to see. Where does it say positive on this side?
Is your silicone?
Mm.
The bones you're talking about? Silicone is your right.
Alright. There's that. Alright, battery plug. Make sure I'm plugging in this correctly. And turn on.
Got a new truck? Oh, cool.
Where did I put that little body clip? Wow, I can't believe how hard that is to clip. Move that out the way, that made me make it easier. There it goes. Well, let's see. I'm gonna start down here. Oh. That's for a stock vehicle. I think I'm liking it. Well, let's see if we can make it up here before the end of this video and hopefully keep the rubber side down. It's falling in that crack. I don't like that. All right. Well, there goes that. I guess it's time for some upgrades. Well, see you guys next time.